GentleMax Pro Plus, exceeding your patient's expectations and your business needs. Built on the technology you trust and the brand recognized around the world. The GentleMax Pro Plus delivers fast, proven results with every laser treatment. GentleMax Pro Plus. Excellence evolved. GentleMax Pro Plus lasers provide the flexibility of having multiple laser types. A 755 nanometer Alexandrite and 1064 nanometer ND YAG, combining both into one versatile platform, allowing treatment for all skin types. The versatility of the GentleMax Pro Plus allows for the treatment of a wider range of conditions beyond laser hair removal, including benign pigmented and vascular lesions, as well as fine lines and wrinkles. Spot sizes ranging from 1.5 millimeters up to 26 millimeters provide precision, flexibility, and speed to address different body regions and indications. Advanced treatment control is provided with an easy-to-use interface designed for intuitive and agile workflow. For a more comfortable patient experience, the GentleMax Pro Plus comes with your choice of either air cooling or the unique cooling capabilities of the Dynamic Cooling Device, or DCD, a proven technology allowing for the use of higher fluences. DCD has differentiated Gentle Lasers treatments for over 20 years. With DCD technology, each laser pulse is preceded by a cooling burst of cryogen over the treatment area, providing a cooling protection factor over 50% greater than contact or air cooling and delivering results with minimal discomfort. Long recognized as the gold standard in laser hair removal, the GentleMax Pro Plus delivers its laser pulse deep into the hair follicle within milliseconds and destroys the hair at its base. With a larger spot, higher fluences, and shorter pulse durations, GentleMax Pro Plus offers an ultra-fast treatment, proven, consistent performance with excellent results. GentleMax Pro Plus's versatility also makes it an effective treatment for a variety of other conditions, like vascular anomalies, such as leg and facial veins, rosacea, and diffuse redness. The 755 and 1064 wavelengths are both used to target capillaries and veins within the skin, collapsing the vessels while protecting the epidermis with DCD cooling. Brown spots on the skin, like freckles or birthmarks, are actually concentrated depositions of melanin in the skin. Because melanin highly absorbs the 755 nanometers laser energy of the GentleMax Pro Plus, lower energies without cooling are used to break up and destroy the pigmentary irregularities and to restore consistent tone and texture. For fine lines and wrinkles, the GentleMax Pro Plus can rapidly deliver its 1064 nanometer energy with little to no patient discomfort, gradually heating the skin to therapeutic temperatures and creating new collagen within, literally pushing the wrinkles out from the inside. GentleMax Pro Plus, designed to maximize patient satisfaction and the success of your practice. Build your reputation for excellence on ours with the GentleMax Pro Plus. Excellence evolved. Candela. Science. Results. Trust.
Now if I need to do for the patient now is skin type 3. So I will adjust it from here. Alex application, hair removal. So hair removal. The hair color is dark and the hair thickness is medium. Skin type 3, no tan. See, this is the parameter. This is the fluence with the spot size 24. Okay, I will adjust it. Okay, and I will do the session. You know this one. This is the fluence already adjusted. I can increase it by 1. It's okay, but first I will make a test shot for the patient. If there is no pain at all, the patient didn't feel anything, I will increase it by 1 and ask the patient. The patient must feel a little pain, tolerable pain. Okay, a little pain, or you can see the mild erythema. So you can increase it by 1 or 2 maximum. Okay. With India, you can make until 3. Yeah, you can increase it by 3 levels. But with Alex, maximum 2 levels from the adjusted parameter. Yani 6, you can increase 7 or 8 maximum. With India, if it's 6, you can increase until 9. Okay. For this one, this is the pulse width. Pulse width it means for the thickness of the hair. 3 it means superficial. Sorry. 3, if the patient doing a lot of laser sessions, you can make it 5 or 3. If there is a first session, first time or second time, you can make it 20 or 10. This according to the thickness of the hair. If the hair it will be more thick, increase this one into 20. More fine or fine hair, make it 5 or 3. Okay, this one it will be good for patient 5 or 3, but it will be little pain. And this is the frequency or the speed from your hand. That's it. The same everything with the same handpiece, another handpiece. That's it. I prefer to set this handpiece here and put this handpiece inside.
Changing the fiber.
Yeah, changing the fiber. How to change? Only remove this one like this and remove this one like this. This is a new one. When I need to put this one, this is red color. See? With this red. See? Okay, these points. And this one here into this one. Okay, that's it.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.